Hi, this is Shafiqul Islam, admin of this channel. Today I will show you how to backup and restore of your Outlook mails. So let's start. I will open my Outlook here. Just click Outlook, and from there I will go to File. Just click File, then Open and Export. Click Open and Export, then Import and Export. Just click. Then import from another program or file. No, I will just export file because I will keep another folder. Just next, select the file type, then next. I will keep all the file and folder from here. That's why I will select all and next. Then here you need to save export file, where you will save and options. That's I will click browse, and I will show here my drive or pen drive or another folder where you want to keep your file. Just here I will create new folder, and you can give the name of the folder, or otherwise you cannot give the folder as you like. Just here I am giving the folder name. How to backup Outlook, just it's depend on you. You can make it or not. How to backup Outlook mail, and in this folder I will keep the backup files. That's why I will open it, and for file name just click OK. Okay, then I will click finish. Here you can give password, or you cannot give password. Just I will not give password. Just click OK. Okay, it will take a few minutes. It's depend on your email file amount, what type of storage you have on your Outlook mail. It's depend on that. So, okay, here I will showing that's it's completed. My file already exported, and I am showing you where I keep this file. This is I will click. It's my drives. It's my pen drive that I'm opening it. How to backup. Then here it's the file Outlook mails. Now I will show you how to store it. Just taking. I will remove my pen drive, and I will put it again now, and I will show you how to restore the backup file to your email address again. Okay, it's depend on you. Just click file again. I will show you. I will delete a mail, and already I have taken backup. That's why I will show you the deleting the one email. After restoring, I will get it back again. So okay, I will keep it file. Click file, open and export, then import and export. Now I will import. That's why I will keep import from another program or file. It's will keep, and next, then Outlook data file. Okay, then another next, and now I will browse where I am keeping. That's why I will show my folder. Okay, and it's depend. I am showing you this PC, from this PC, and my pen drive is Shafi 360 as M. To backup, I am just click and open. Okay, now I will click next, and now Outlook data file all will be okay, and finish. Just email address. It will take a few minutes also for restoring the mail. All mail are deleting, and it will restore again. After finishing the restoration, it will take a few seconds. It's depend on your email amount. Okay, that's why already all my email are coming. Before I have deleted a mail, that will also restore here, because I have imported mail before deleting that mail. Okay, here I will find my email that I deleted before. Now it's restored. Okay, in this way you can restore your email. So thank you for watching this video.